Today we're going to read the story, First Day Jitters, by Julie Dannenberg. And when I hear this title, I think, jitters? What are the jitters? And it makes me think of a place here in town in Athens where people go to drink coffee, Jittery Joe's. And I know that sometimes people, like if they drink a lot of coffee, they sometimes have a lot of energy. And the jitters are kind of like that. Like you have a lot of these different feelings inside. And so I'm curious what that has to do with the first day. And I'm looking at the pictures on the cover. I see somebody in bed staring at this calendar to look at the faces of the cat and the dog. And it says first day of school. Well, we're going to read and find out. First day jitters. And right away, that alarm clock is going off so early. You might have felt this way this morning, covering your head. I don't want to get out of bed yet. Sarah, dear, time to get out of bed, Mr. Hartwell said, poking his head through the bedroom doorway. You don't want to miss the first day at your new school, do you? Trying to get her out of bed. I'm not going, said Sarah, and pulled the covers over her head. Of course you're going, honey, said Mr. Hartwell, as he walked over to the window and snapped up the shade. No, I'm not. I don't want to start over again. I hate my new school, Sarah said. She tunneled down to the end of her bed. If you've ever been a new student and started a new school, you may know how Sarah is feeling. Look at all those faces. How can you hate your new school, sweetheart? Mr. Hartwell chuckled. You've never been there before. Don't worry. You liked your other school. You'll like this one. Besides, just think of all the new friends you'll meet. That's just it. I don't know anybody, and it'll be hard, and I just hate it. That's all. I'm looking at these two different pictures, and it seems to me that this is what Mr. Hartwell is thinking and picturing is going to happen at school. And I think this is what Sarah is picturing is going to happen at school. Uh-oh, what's going on here? What will everyone think if you aren't there? We told them you were coming. They're all looking for her. Where is she? They will think that I am lucky, and they will wish that they were at home in bed just like me. Mr. Hartwell sighed. Sarah Jane Hartwell, I'm not playing the silly game 1 second longer. I will see you downstairs in 5 minutes. Sarah, I love how the words do this too. Sarah tumbled out of bed. She stumbled into the bathroom. She fumbled into her clothes. My head hurts, she moaned as she trudged into the kitchen. Mr. Hartwell handed Sarah a piece of toast and her lunchbox. They walked to the car. Sarah's hands were cold and clammy. I love that description. Instead of just saying how she felt or she was scared or she was nervous, the author shows us by using those words. Her hands were cold and clammy. They drove down the street. She couldn't breathe. And then they were there. I feel sick, said Sarah weakly. Nonsense, said Mr. Hartwell. You'll love your new school once you get started. Oh, look, there's your principal, Mrs. Burton. Sarah slumped down in her seat. There are lots of words that the author is choosing to use that let us know that Sarah is not excited, right? She said something weakly. She's slumping down. We can tell she really does not want to go. Oh, Sarah, Mrs. Burton gushed, peeking into the car. There you are! Come on, I'll show you where to go. She led Sarah into the building and walked quickly through the crowded hallways. Don't worry, everyone is nervous the first day, she said over her shoulder as Sarah rushed to keep up. You may have felt the same way on the first day of school. Oh, I always feel nervous on the first day of school, no matter how many years I've been going. When they got to the classroom, most of the children were already in their seats. You can see a lot of them are getting ready for the first day. The class looked up as Miss Burton cleared her throat. Class, attention please, said Mrs. Burton. And look at all these eyes are looking at the speaker. They're tracking. Awesome job. When the class was quiet, she led Sarah to the front of the room and said, Class, I would like you to meet your new teacher, Mrs. Sarah Jane Hartwell. How many of you are surprised by that ending? Did anybody think that Sarah in our story was going to be the teacher? Well, I know as a teacher that I often feel nervous about the first day of school too. And now we're going to talk about our feelings a little bit. So I want you to think about, how did you feel on the first day?